Most Android users think they need a new battery or a new phone. But the real problem is poor settings optimization. Today I'll show you double your Android battery life. Instantly change these hidden settings. Step 1. Turn off nearby device scanning. Connections menu. Start by opening your settings app. Tap connections. Scroll down and select more connection settings. Now look for nearby device scanning and turn it off. This feature continuously searches for nearby Bluetooth devices, smart TVs, earbuds, watches, and other gadgets. Even when you're not connecting to anything, your phone may still be scanning in the background and wasting power. If you don't use this feature daily, turning it off can save battery all day long. Step 2. Turn off nearby device scanning in Google settings. Many users don't realize Google has a second version of this feature running separately. Go back to the main settings page. Tap Google, then open all services. Scroll down and tap devices. Find scan for nearby devices and switch it off too. Now you've disabled both hidden scanners that often drain battery silently. Step 3. Disable always on display. Go back to settings. Find lock screen or lock screen and AOD depending on your phone model. Tap always on display. Turn it off. Always on display keeps part of your screen active all day to show time, battery, and notifications. While it uses low energy, it still drains power continuously. If battery life matters more than convenience, disabling this can help a lot. Step 4. Turn off unwanted notifications. Go back to settings, tap notifications, then choose app notifications. Now disable notifications for apps you don't really need, such as shopping apps, random games, news spam apps, rarely used social apps. Every notification can wake your screen, trigger vibration, and use background data. Fewer notifications means better battery life and fewer distractions. Step 5. Turn off printer scanning. Now return to connections. Open more connection settings again. Tap printing. You may find options like default print service printer, search wireless printer scanning. Turn them off. Most people never print from their phone, yet this feature may keep scanning for printers in the background. Disabling it is an easy battery saver. Step 6. Disable digital well-being tracking. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and open digital well-being and parental controls. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Choose settings, tap usage data access. Turn permission off. This system tracks your screen time, app usage, unlock counts, and habits. Helpful for some users, but if you never check those stats, there's no reason to let it run all day. Turning it off can reduce unnecessary background activity. Step 7. Fix location battery drain. Location services can destroy battery life if too many apps have full-time access. Go to settings, tap location. Check which apps are set to allow all the time. Change most of them to allow only while using app. This stops apps from checking your location when closed. Next, go back and open location services. Turn off Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth scanning. These options help with location accuracy, but they also use battery continuously. Only leave them on if truly needed. Step 8. Put unused apps to sleep. Go back to settings. Tap battery, then open background usage limits. Turn on. Put unused apps to sleep. Your phone will automatically stop rarely used apps from running in the background. This can improve battery life, RAM performance, phone speed. It's one of the smartest built-in Android battery tools. Step 9. Turn on battery protection. Stay in the battery section. Tap battery protection, turn it on. Then choose maximum mode if available. This usually limits charging to around 80% or 90% instead of 100%. Why does that matter? Charging to full every single day can slowly wear out your battery faster. Limiting charge helps preserve long-term battery health, meaning your phone battery stays stronger over time. Step 10. Turn off unused quick panel shortcuts. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. Turn off features you are not currently using, such as Bluetooth, GPS, Siltila's location hotspot, NFC auto sync. Nearby share extra brightness modes. Leaving these on all day can silently drain power. Use them only when needed, then switch them off again. Bonus battery tip: lower your screen brightness slightly and enable dark mode if your phone uses an OLED display. The display is often the number one battery drainer. Hidden settings were draining your Android battery the whole time. Fix them now, save more power, and follow for more smart Android tips.